Good morning, Christy and Ross. Well, I have the best seat in the house because I'm watching Chef Tu handle it here at KCC, and it's all part of the Near and Far Conference that's taking place at Queen Kapiolani Hotel from 8:30 to 4:30. Tickets are still available. Good morning, Chef. How's it going?
Good morning. I'm good. And yourself?
I'm doing good. I'm trying to suck it in and make sure I look nice because I know we're about to eat. And I got to say, this is just my opinion. I always trust a chef with tattoos. You just know they're good. Take a look at that chef right there on the knuckles. That's so cool. But Chef, tell us what we'll be making this morning.
We're going to be making Nước Chấm, and I like to call Nước Chấm the soul of Vietnamese cuisine. And what it is the standard staple Vietnamese dipping sauce. Okay. And I'm going to be using it with this delicious sunfish sauce that I came out with. This is aged for 2 years. The great thing about this sauce is just like a nice shoyu, just like a nice soy sauce, it brings tons of umami to whatever dish you're using it on or with.
Well, I never had Nước Chấm before, but this sounds really delicious. So I want to go ahead and see you prepare this, and I'm going to go ahead and ask you some questions. Looking at tomorrow's lineup, there's so many different cool parts to this conference. One of them is called Lunch and Lineage, which really highlights my mother's kitchen, goes back to how we learn how to cook and maybe some family recipes. For you, who taught you how to cook and who really inspired you in your life?
I've been cooking with my mother ever since I was a fat little boy at 5 years old. I think eating and being nourished and being fed, it's a universal thing. I think with all human reactions and connections and relationships and even love, right? So definitely cooked with my mother, first time.
Well, we got to shout out to your mom for really giving you the talent and really just encouraging you. There's so many amazing things you've done. You're also a filmmaker called Bloodline. You can check that out on YouTube. Emmy nominated, by the way, which is amazing. And yes, and then you also have a TED Talk coming as well. So you're a great storyteller. So you've not only been in the industry, but you really kind of formed your own craft where you mix food with kind of the science aspect to it and also great stories that are tied to it.
Absolutely, because when you talk about food, it's one of those human emotions that we all share, right? And then to be able to connect that, you need to be a storyteller.
Yeah, so that's really well put. And then is this how we create the Nước Chấm?
Yes, so it's just finishing up. Let me let you taste this. We'll taste this together.
Right. Is it spicy?
You said you like spice.
I do, I really do.
Spice is life, people. It's healthy for you, it's delicious. If you don't like spice, you're probably not living. Right?
I like this. You know what? This is a sauce that you could really put on anything.
Such as?
Eggs and rice.
It's about 8:30 in the morning right now, and I made some eggs and rice for breakfast.
Okay.
Let me just set you up a plate, okay?
Okay.
It's my favorite way to have breakfast, this Asian breakfast with rice, crispy fried egg. And you know that delicious sauce that we just had? Yeah. We're just gonna douse it. We're not gonna be gentle, we're gonna be obnoxious, and we're gonna douse it, okay? So right over here. Yeah. Oh, that beautiful, delicious, spicy, fresh, bright umami
ingredients. And this is just a piece that you'll find with the Near and Far Conference happening at Queen Kapiolani Hotel. I'm gonna have to eat this on camera because we're gonna wrap up. But thank you so much, Chef, for your time. We really appreciate you.
Thank you,
reporting out here at the scene, Dallas Navarro's, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.
Love
I
you,
need
Hawaii.
a mouthful.
Yes.
That's awesome. That's amazing. So good. It's a sauce I want with anything.
It's called the everything sauce.
Everything sauce. Well said.
Everything sauce. Spice is life.
All right. Well, speaking of food, coming up next on Take Two, it's Taco Tuesday for Food to Go.
Oh, and we are keeping it tight with a great new Mexican restaurant in Kaimaki. We have all the tasty details straight ahead.